Greetings all. My name is Jason Colyer, Support Operations Manager here at GitLab, and today I'm going to show you how to bulk edit tickets, especially for the upcoming support global groups deployment. Especially when the first day you come in, you're going to need to bulk edit a bunch of your assigned tickets that existed prior to the global groups going live for everyone. So the handbook link for global groups under the Zendesk section will have several links for your group that will be quick search links that you can click. It'll open in Zendesk and it'll pull all your tickets that are assigned to you in a form that global groups is applicable to, but are not in your global group at that exact moment. From there, you'd want to bulk edit them. So let me go ahead and I'll share my screen and show you what that looks like. Cool. So once you've got your search in place, what you're going to do is click this checkbox here. And it's a bit hard to see. It's the left of the ID. But once you click it, it will select all your tickets. If you have a ton of tickets to move, traditionally, it will only show, I want to say, about 30 at a time, which is fine. You just might have to do this a few times. But once you've selected them, you want to click this blue edit button, edit tickets button. You'll notice it says 6 because there are 6 tickets that I'm doing this to. Now, from here, you need to locate the SGG ticket field on this left side. And when you start, you'll be up here at the top. I traditionally just do this and use the drop down and select my group. So I'll do Maple in this case, or let's do this one, Kapak. So from there, you just want to click the black submit button. Zendesk will tell you it's bulk updating tickets here. And when it's done, it'll let you know that they're updated. Now, your search query might still show some of these tickets. You might have to do a hard refresh on it, but in theory, that's all you really need to do. You could also make a personal group that kind of does this same thing. So let me show you on that. But what you could do is, manage your views. You can add your new view, and you can call, my tickets in my group or something along those. And for your conditions, do status less than closed. Assignee is current user. And then what you'd want to do is SGG is not, whatever group you're working with. And then you probably want to do a little form is not, LNR is not applicable. Form is not professional services, although probably don't need to worry as much about that. You don't need to worry about like support ops. Basically, you're just going to select the forms that are not applicable, that are support forms. So emergencies isn't applicable. Form is not, you want incidents, and that should be pretty much good for there. You can figure out what format and what columns you want and all that. Ideally, it's really not going to matter since we're using it for this purpose. But after you've created your own little personal view, which I'm pretty sure I just did it as a giant view. Yes, I did. Obviously, you want to make sure only you have access to it because not everybody needs to see it. Once you do it that way, you can go to the tickets not group, and this would be another way. And much like any other view, you could also click this and then do the edit tickets and go from there. That's all there really is to doing the bulk editing. Occasionally, there might be something that blocks a ticket from being edited in this way, such as a field that is required is missing. In those cases, that one will not be processed, but the others will, and you'll get an error saying ticket couldn't be edited. It might tell you why, it might not. In that case, you'd want to click into the ticket and try to edit the global groups in the ticket itself, and that'll tell you what the error is. Then you can fix that. Or if you're unsure what to do, you could go to the support operations Slack channel, and we're more than willing to help you out with that process. I hope this was useful to you, and